Not all truck accidents are the same, and the kind of crash that you were in can make a huge difference in your injury case. Hi, I'm David Shiner with the Shiner Law Group, and for more than 2 decades, we've been helping accident victims for years get the justice that they deserve. So, you ask, if you or someone you care about was hurt in a crash with a commercial truck or an 18-wheeler, keep watching, because understanding the type of trucking accident that you were involved in is the first step to getting you the most compensation that you deserve. So let me break it down for you. Jackknife accidents. This is when a trailer swings out at an angle, kind of like a pocket knife closing. It usually happens when the truck loses control. Maybe from speeding, could be from slick roads. Down here in Florida, we got rain all the time, and drivers should know how to drive around that. Or, believe it or not, even sudden braking can cause jackknife accidents. And these crashes often block multiple lanes, involve several cars. Then you got rollover crashes. Big trucks have a high center of gravity, which makes them more likely to tip over. And that can happen on sharp turns, exit ramps, or when a driver's just going way too fast. If you were nearby, well, unfortunately, the results certainly can be devastating. Then you have underride accidents. They are some of the deadliest that we've seen in our practice. And that's when a smaller vehicle slides right underneath the trailer, usually because the truck stops suddenly or doesn't have proper underrided guards or warnings. And these injuries, unfortunately, are often very catastrophic. You've got blindside accidents. Trucks have a huge no zone. And what do I mean by that? On all 4 sides? Well, the driver changes lanes without seeing you because they can't see everything in their mirrors. And it's not just carelessness, it's dangerous. And yes, they are still responsible. They know this when they get on the road. You got rear-end collisions. A loaded tractor trailer takes way longer to stop than a normal car. And when they don't keep a safe distance and rear-end crash occurs at highway speeds, unfortunately, it can generally be fatal, especially to the car in front. Then you have spill accidents. If a truck's load isn't properly secured, it can come loose and spill across the road. Suddenly you're dodging heavy equipment or debris at 70 miles an hour. And that's not your fault, it's theirs for not securing it properly. Listen guys, here's the deal. Each type of truck crash case raises different legal questions and involves different parties, from the driver to the trucking company to the loading team, and believe it or not, even sometimes the maintenance crews. So here at Shiner Law Group, we know how to investigate the exact type of crash, figure out who's responsible, and hold those people accountable for the injuries that they've caused. So if you or a loved one is involved in a crash with a commercial truck or vehicle and you need a trucking accident lawyer, call us today for a free consultation. Let me and my firm fight to get you the justice that you deserve.